Hello friends, welcome back again in CDL. In this video, we will learn the difference between a reference instance and occurrence. So basically, what is the reference instance and occurrence in CATIA and in VR terms? So we will try to understand in this video. So welcome again in our another tutorial in 3D experience. So this is the basic definition for reference instance and occurrence. A reference represents the definition of product or component. It is also authoritative, reusable object that can describe what the part is. So for example, if we open any assembly in our CATIA or in somewhere, so that means it's a reference. I have opened assembly. So this is the assembly skateboard. So skateboard is the one reference. We can say this is the product or one component. So if you open properties here, inside the property, you can see here. Okay, inside the property, you can see here, see reference physical product. So this is the title, and also you can see the unique number here, right? This will be only one in database. So reference is only one in the database. This is called reference. I hope you guys understood the reference. Next term is the instance. So instance is unique object created from reference. So any unique object created from reference means, for example, I have created one part, and in that I created under that part I created one bolt, for example. So that bolt is the instance. Okay, so that is the unique object created from the reference. In instance represent the uses of reference within specific parent assembly. Okay, it means, so let's see, instance, what exactly it means. Instance means represent the uses of reference within specific parent assembly. It answer how this reference is used. In what is occurrence? Occurrence means what? Occurrence is placement or uses of instance inside an assembly. So example, we use the bolt. Okay, so that bolt where we are using that placement exactly where, so that means the occurrence. It's just occurrence. It's kind of a representation. Okay, and occurrence represent the physical placement of instance in space. So if we are doing one assembly, big assembly, let's assume we have wheel, right? For example, if we take the example of car body, and in that car body we have one instance as a tire or wheel. So that wheel where we are placing, that's the occurrence. Okay, it answer where this instance is located. So I hope you guys understood. This is just basic definition of reference, instance, and occurrence. So we'll study in depth a little bit. So what is a reference? So reference means is a master object. It represents the part itself. For example, M6 bolt. For example, I have taken just this is the bolt. So it hold the part number, weight, and the material. Okay, so if I like I shown you here, right? This is one assembly. This is kind of one reference. So this reference, it holds the part. Again, let's say if we apply some material, so it hold material, weight, everything, right? So that means the reference. And there is only one reference for M6 bolt in entire database. Okay, for example, what exactly it means? Reference means what? If we open this assembly, you will not find similar object in the database. Okay, this is the only one unique data or unique data ID in the database. That is the reference, you can say. It represents what is the part or what the part is, not where and how it is used. Okay, the simple definition in one line is reference is original definition or original design definition of part or product. That is the reference. Okay, coming to new slide. The part or product definition, it contains geometry, sketches, pads, holes, fillets, everything, right, etc, etc. It contains. So what a reference means? So the part or product definition, it contains geometry, parameters and formulas, design intent, and reference is created only once, and it stored as a master model. This is the one example as a master model. So for example, here in CAD, if we created a part called bolt M8, that CAD file is a reference. How it defines diameter, length, thread type, everything is included, right? It's a master object, we can say, or master model. So in PLM, what is the reference? In PLM means, in product life management, reference is unique business object like version control, revision, ABCD, or it's stored in the PLM database. It can be reused in multiple products. Key PLM characteristics is one reference, many instance or occurrence, single source of truth. Okay, so we can reuse multiple times. One reference we can use multiple times. For example, bolt or thread or anything. For example, wheel is the one reference we can use. Wheel is the one unique product, right, or unique part. So that one we can use multiple times. That is a reusable, right? It can be reused in multiple products, right? We can, let's say we have let's assume wheel is the one standard product. Okay, standard part, sorry, wheel is the one standard part, and we want to use that part in different assembly. Let's assume we, for example, if we take one example, Tata Motor or BMW or any other Volkswagen, so they have different series. But let's assume there is the one standard wheelbase for two types of cars. Okay, so in BMW X series or BMW some Y series, right? So they use the same type of wheel. So they can use either that wheel in Y series also, they can use in X series also, same, right? So it can be a multiple uses, right? It can be reused in multiple product. So BMW X series is the different big assembly or different product. BMW Y series is the another product, right? So but wheel is the one standard, they can use multiple times. Key characteristics is one reference, many instance, or occurrence. Okay, I hope you guys understood the meaning of reference. Now we are move to next slide. What is an instance? An instance is a real object created from reference. Okay, so each copied or instantiated part creates new instance ID. What exactly it means? It means whenever we copied or we instantiated part. Okay, so that means it will create a new instance ID. An instance is a uses of reference within the product structure. Okay, see, I took the example bolt. Bolt is, or I took example wheel. Wheel is the reference. Instance means what? The uses. How we are using that reference. So how we are using, okay, or how many times we are using that reference. For example, wheel, BMW wheel. Okay, that wheel we are using, or example tire, we are using 4 places, right? That 4 places is nothing but the instances, right? The tire it become now instance. So 4 instances here. It represents how many times the same design is used. So for example, here I'll show you. So you can see here, this is the one wheel, right? This is one wheel, this is another wheel, this is one more wheel. We have 4 wheel here, correct? 4 wheel, but it's the same reference. We use 4 places. First place is this one, second place is this one, third place is this one, and fourth place is this one, right? So say one reference we use 4th time in 4th different location, right? 4th time, how many times we are using the reference object? That is the instance. I hope you got the more clarity in between reference and instance. It represent how many times the same design is used, but not its exact position. Okay, instance will not tell where the product or where it is used or exact position, right? It just tell you how many times the same instance we used. Okay, in simple definition or in one line, instance is one uses of reference in a product. Okay, when you insert a part into an assembly, the part definition is the reference, right? So each time you insert it is one instance, correct? Like I told you, there are 4 wheel, right? In 4 wheel, we can take one example of BMW, and we are using tire or we are using wheel. Wheel is the one reference, that's the part definition, but that wheel we are using 4 times, right? So each time we can insert it as a one instance. So first, if we insert first tire is the first instance, second tire is the second instance, one is the third instance, and fourth tire is the fourth instance. But it linked to only single reference, right? You got it? What exactly I mean? So an instance is an instance is points to a reference. So it shares same geometry and parameters. This is again the very important point. Okay, this is again very important point. It shares the same geometry and parameter. Can have instance level property, name, BOM, quantity, attribute. Okay, so coming to second points here, shares the same geometry and parameter. So I'll show you, this is the one example here. So this is the one wheel, right? This is 3D shape, and I'll just expand. So we have 3 plane here created, right? So if let's assume if I do some modification here, or if I do some changes inside this sketch, so it impact everywhere. Okay, because it's pointing to the same reference. Each instance, instance 1, instance 2, instance 3, and instance 4. 4 instances pointing to the same reference. So if we do some changes in this sketch, it impact everywhere. So we use 4th time, so it impact everywhere. Let's say if you want to increase some diameter of this wheel, so it will increase everywhere. This wheel also will increase, this will also increase, right? It's not like we increase left tire, front left tire diameter is 10 mm and right tire is the 9 mm. It's not like that, right? So the instance how it linked, I'll give you an example. I'll not change here any geometry. I'll hide this one, or I'll show you already hided this planes. I'll just hide. So I am doing operation on this 3D shape, right? This part only. So if I show, see, everywhere it's shown, right? Everywhere it's shown these changes, correct? Because it pointing to the same reference. If I hide this XY plane, everywhere it will hide. If I hide this plane, everywhere it will hide. See, and every places. So that's the instance. I hope you guys understood what exactly is the instance, right? So example here, a reference bolt M8 is the reference. In assembly, we are using bolt M8 1, M8 2, M8 3. That's the instance. Like in skateboard, I shown you, right? Wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3, wheel 4. This wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3, wheel 4 is the instance. So all 3 are the instance of same reference. In PLM system, an instance represents uses information. So it used for BOM, bill of material, quantity calculation, or effectivity. So still it linked to one reference. I shown you, right? If I do some changes in any of instance, it will impact everywhere. How many times that instance used doesn't matter. It impact everywhere. Why this will useful? Why we are using? Because to save the time. Let's say there is the one standard parameter, standard part. Let's assume the bolt, or example wheel. So wheel we are using 4th places, right? There is a four instances. So if we do some changes in one wheel, so it will automatically impact all 4 wheel. That's the to save designer time. right? For example, we can say still linked to the one reference. Important is changing one reference updates. Okay, important is changing the one reference updates all instances automatically, as I shown you, right? I just hide the XY plane, it hide everywhere, right? Okay, coming to next point. What is an occurrence? An occurrence represents how and where an instance is used in an assembly. Okay, so what exactly it means? Occurrence means it just occurs. It will give the information like in matrix form where that instance is used. So we use this four wheel, right? We use this four wheel, but where it is used? It should used to this axis only, right? Axis. It should not this wheel should not attach to this frame, correct? So that's the information it will give. Occurrence will give the information where the instance is used. So we use this exact position. Occurrence will give the exact position. Same part can have multiple occurrences. Okay, so this is the one point. Same part have multiple occurrences with a different position. An occurrence represents an exact physical placement of an instance inside a specific assembly constraint. It defines where and how the part exists in 3D space. Simple definition in one line: occurrence means positioned representation of an instance in an assembly. Positioned representation of an instance in an assembly. That's the occurrence. So in CAD term, we'll see an occurrence contains position, translation, or rotation matrix. It contains mates, offsets, coincidence, assembly constraint, context. So link to one instance, which links to an reference. Occurrence is links to one instance. That instance is links to one reference. For example, a reference is the bolt emit, and instance is emit.1. That is the instance. So in assembly, bolt emit1 at position x is equal to 10. That exactly it is giving the position, right? That is the occurrence where it fitted, that bolt where it fitted. Bolt emit.1 position x is equal to 40. So here you can see here a difference, right? Occurrence is different, right? Same instance, but it may be a different occurrence, correct? Because here the same instance we use at this position, and here also we use at the different position, right? Each placement is a separate occurrence. In PLM, an occurrence represents the structure tree. Okay, so in PLM, occurrence represent the structure tree. Here is the one. This is the one, structure tree occurrence. So here this links to this. So this is the one reference, right? This reference is linked to this instance. This is the one wheel, and the link in between, we can say, or the representation, tree representation is an occurrence. Is an occurrence. Okay, so capture assembly hierarchy. So what it occurrence means? What it capture assembly hierarchy, positioning, context, configuration, effectivity. It exists only within the parent product. Okay, occurrence is exist within the parent product. Deleting an occurrence remove the part from the assembly. So does not delete instance or reference. See, deleting an occurrence remove the part from assembly. Does not delete the instance or reference. Understood? This is also one important point. Okay, here is the some clear what we can say comparison here: occurrence versus instance versus reference. Clear comparison aspect here. Meaning, as we see the definition, single meaning in reference means a design definition, instance uses of definition, occurrence means position uses, and here is the geometry. Geometry in reference we stored, in instance we share geometry, right? We are not storing, and in occurrence we are displaying that geometry. Quantity, we are not worrying about the quantity in reference, but in instance, yes, we are worrying how many instances is there, and in occurrence, no. Position, we are not worrying about in reference. In instance, no, but in occurrence, yes, it stored the position. That's the occurrence, right? And constraint, reference, no. Instance, no, but in occurrence, yes. Assembly context, no. In instance, partially, and occurrence, yes. So short summary here: reference is linked to instance, instance is linked to occurrence. Reference means what the part is. Instance means how the part is used or how many times the part is used. Occurrence means where the part is placed. Thank you. If you have any questions or anything, you feel free to add in comment. I'll update new video on that. If you want some specific video on related PLM stuffs or any kind of things, so I will try to update a new video on that. So thank you. We'll meet in another. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet in our new upcoming videos. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. Thank you.